Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. There are two areas where we have elevated fire weather series today. One covering East Central and Southeastern Arizona, South Central Colorado, most of New Mexico, and West Central Texas. A second elevated fire risk today covers North Central Florida and Southern Georgia. So, in synopsis, a mid-upper level shortwave trough will traverse the Midwest into the Ohio Valley as an attendant surface low approaches the mid-Atlantic. A trailing cold front will progress east of the Appalachians, extending into the southeast by this afternoon. Dry westerly flow south of the advancing cold front is expected to increase fire weather concerns for portions of southern Georgia and northern Florida, where fuels remain dry. Enhanced mid-level westerly flow ahead of an approaching Pacific trough will bolster a continued downslope regime across the southwest. With preceding days of fire-affected weather conditions and receptive fuels, fire weather conditions will persist over central New Mexico to far eastern Arizona this afternoon. So yeah. So I'm not gonna read these down here because I think the synopsis part pretty much covers everything. So I don't think there's any need to read the next two paragraphs, because I think the synopsis just about covers it. So anyway, that's your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. Remain safe and vigilant in the area today. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fires can start to spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in the elevated areas today. Because it only takes one little spark for a fire to start to spread quickly. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Even if they're not lit. Because one, that's littering, which is illegal, and you get in legal trouble should you get caught littering. And it's just bad for the environment, which brings me to my next point. It only takes one little spark for a fire to start to spread quickly, and that can significantly harm, if not destroy, the environment in that area. And should that fire spark and spread quickly, and make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away. So that's your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. I will have my Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook very soon. Stay tuned for that. So anyway, be safe, make wise decisions today in the affected areas, and take care.